Hey everyone, what if I told you that the cinematic video you're about to see wasn't shot with a camera at all? No lights, no crew, no editing software, just a few words and some AI magic. Sounds unbelievable, right? But that's exactly what you can do with Nim.video. An AI-powered platform that transforms your ideas into stunning movie-style videos in just minutes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, artist, or someone who just loves experimenting, makes high-quality video creation easy, fast, and fun. No prior experience required. Getting started is super simple. Head over to the website and sign up using your Google account or email. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean, user-friendly dashboard, your creative playground. Here you can see all your previous projects ready to preview, edit, or delete. You'll find a panel packed with powerful AI tools like text-to-video, image-to-video, restyle video, and more. Each designed to bring your imagination to life. The text-to-video feature is perfect for turning written prompts into cinematic clips. Just type your idea into the input box, use the AI assistant to improve your prompt, and optionally upload a reference image to help guide the visual. Then choose a model like Kling, Van, LTX, Minimax, or Kling Pro. Great for realism. And select your aspect ratio, 16:9 for widescreen, 9:16 for TikTok or Instagram, or 1:1 for square content. Hit the generate button and in seconds, your video is ready. Want a different version? Try another model like Van and explore the More Controls section, where you can add an active prompt, set a seed value for consistent results, or randomize everything for a fresh look. If you're looking for still visuals instead, try the text-to-image tool. It works similarly. Type your prompt, pick a model and aspect ratio, and click Generate. Within moments, you'll have high-quality images that match your vision. It's a great way to explore different art styles or create visuals for branding, concept art, or marketing. The image-to-video feature lets you animate any still picture, upload an image, describe the animation or motion you want, and use the AI assistant to enhance your description. After selecting a model and aspect ratio, click Generate. And your static image is brought to life as a dynamic cinematic video. One of the most exciting features is Restyle Video. This tool lets you transform any existing video into a completely new visual style using AI. Upload a short clip, type in the style you want, like Pixar style 3D animation, anime fight scene, or watercolor painting. Once you hit generate, your original footage is reimagined in seconds. Perfect for giving your content a bold, fresh look without touching a single editing tool. Beyond that, Nim.video offers other tools like the Describe tool, which analyzes or generates detailed prompts from existing visuals, and Freestyle Video, which gives you the freedom to create with open-ended prompts and creative randomness. Each tool offers a unique way to turn your thoughts into engaging cinematic visuals. No camera, editing software, or technical skills required. So who's this for? Whether you're making short films for YouTube, vertical content for TikTok, marketing visuals, or just exploring the future of AI creativity, Nim.video is built to help you move from idea to execution fast. If you're ready to give it a try, click the link in the video description. Start creating your own AI-powered movie-like videos today, and bring your imagination to life like never before. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.